Do you dream of expanding your succulent collection without breaking the bank, or perhaps want to revive a leggy favorite? Propagating succulents from cuttings is an incredibly rewarding and surprisingly simple way to do just that. With just a few basic steps, you can turn one plant into many, creating a thriving succulent garden. Let's dive in and learn how to grow new succulent babies from healthy cuttings. First, select a healthy parent succulent and use sharp, clean scissors or an X-Acto knife to take your cutting. Aim for a stem that is at least 2 to 3 inches long. Make a clean cut just below a leaf node, which is where leaves grow from the stem. Then, carefully remove the bottommost leaves to expose about 1 to 2 inches of bare stem. These leaves can also be propagated. This next step is crucial. You need to let your cuttings callous over. This means allowing the cut end to dry and form a protective scab, which prevents rot once planted. Place your cuttings on a clean plate or paper towel in a warm, dry spot out of direct sunlight for 3 to 7 days. The stem end should look dry and slightly puckered, like a healed wound. Now it's time to plant. Fill small pots with a well-draining succulent or cactus potting mix. You can buy a specialized mix or create your own by combining potting soil with perlite or pumice for added drainage. Make a small hole in the center of the soil with a chopstick or your finger. Then gently insert the callous stem about 1 inch deep. While optional, dipping the cut end in rooting hormone can encourage faster root development. After planting, resist the urge to water immediately. Wait a few days for the cutting to settle. Once roots begin to form, you can start watering lightly, using a squeeze bottle to direct water to the soil, avoiding the leaves. Place your newly planted cuttings in a location that receives bright, indirect sunlight. Too much direct sun can be harsh on new growth, while too little can lead to leggy, stretched plants. Patience is key during the rooting phase, which can take a few weeks. Water thoroughly when the soil is completely dry, using the soak and dry method, allowing water to drain from the bottom of the pot. You can gently tug on the plant after a month or so to check for root resistance. Once well-rooted and showing new growth, you can transition your new succulent to a regular watering schedule, typically every 7 to 14 days during active growth. A common mistake with propagating succulents is overwatering, especially before roots have formed or if the cutting hasn't fully calloused. Succulents store water in their leaves and stems, making them highly susceptible to rot if kept in consistently wet soil. Always err on the side of underwatering rather than overwatering. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings to encourage root growth and prevent fungal issues. Start learning today at Sikho.ai.